Ayala started off with its quality residential developments here in Makati. And as you know, Makati's Ayala developments have really been able to progress so much. Their quality of life has improved. The property values that they have invested in the past has really grown so much since the time we had started. From that point, we actually went further and expanded to other places today. And we have gone more than just the geographical expansion. We have actually expanded in terms of product lines. We now have Avida, which has really come out very well with a lot of these quality residential developments that are now very much affordable to a far greater number of Filipinos today.
You know, buying a home, no, is every Filipino's dream. We all work hard, we make sacrifices. In fact, a lot of our kababayans go overseas just to save money so they could afford a home for their family. So you want to make sure na ang bibigay namin produkto sa inyo ay maganda at tatagal.
We're so happy today in Ayala that we now have Amaya, which is going to precisely be able to provide a house and lot package that is going to have the right type of quality that these hardworking Filipinos deserve, and at the same time to make sure that it is going to be available at a very affordable level for them to enjoy. Dito sa Amaya ay nailagay namin yung mga tinatawag nating mga best practices na ginawa ng Ayala sa kanyang mga development magmula sa Makati, sa Alabang, sa New Valley.
Alam nyo, this will be available through Pag-ibig. On top of that, gagawin din naming available to, hindi lang locally, even internationally. Kung OFW kayo, dadali namin to kung saan kayo nagtatrabaho. So dati, akala ng marami, kailangan maging mayaman ka para maging Avida or Ayala land homeowner. Ngayon, OFWs, hardworking private corporation employees, civil servants, for a minimum of 3,500 to 4,000 a month, you can own an Amaya property. Pero hindi kami hihinto doon. We're talking to banks, we're talking to a lot of financial institutions. We want to make it available not just at a cost that's right, but in a financing scheme that fits your budget.
When we started the design for Amaya, we identified first who among the customers are least served. It's the starting families, the young professionals. These are the ones who are more aspirational. They have their future in front of them. So we started to think about ano ba yung pwede nating i-design na bahay for these customers. And we said, that's probably something that has a fresher look. It exudes a bit more youthfulness and it's more contemporary in terms of look. Sa Amaya, marami tayong mga models na dinesign to suit different tastes. No? And it starts with a very compact module, no? Basic home. It can grow into the adjacent unit. Meron rin kami mga designs wherein pwede mag-expand vertically. At meron rin kami mga bahay na pwedeng mag-expand in the setback areas of the lot. So maraming opportunities to expand to suit the individual needs and preferences of our buyers. One unique feature that we have for Amaya is the clustering of the homes around what we call the patio greens. It's a small cluster of about 10 to 12 homes. They're clustered around a courtyard na parang itong extension ng living space ng iyong bahayan. Ang effect nito is mas maaliwalas, mas maluwag, you get a sense of space.
Ayala land, nakikita yan hindi lang sa ganda, pati sa management. You know, there's such a thing as Ayala Property Management Corporation. Itong community management na to, dati available lang to para dun sa mga kilalang developments, premier developments. Kung maririnig mo, Forbes, DASMA. Ngayon, APMC Community Management will be made available to Amaya property owners.
One of the things that we've seen actually dito sa segment na to, no, yung mga under 1 million, marami mga bahay, yung mga workmanship is, they're not as nice. How do we ensure that we provide you high quality product? Number one, you make sure that yung design that we do basically adapts to the local condition. is make sure that yung konkreto, no, the thickness of the concrete, yung kapal ng cement na ginagamit natin, will be able to adapt to the local conditions of, during our rainy season and during typhoons. We do flood studies, okay, to ensure that the drainage pipes that we provide in the developments are adequate to minimize any risk of flooding. Secondly, in terms of how do you assure in terms of the quality, Ayala's got decades of experience in terms of building communities and building homes. We also use our own construction arm, 100% owned by Ayala, called Makati Development Corporation. This is the same company, the same construction arm that we use for our high-end developments like Anvaya, Ayala West Grove, residences at Greenbelt, Serendra.
We put into place here some basic and simple things to make Amaya more environmentally sustainable. Isa dito, simply making the homes compact. So that in itself, mas matipid, walang masyadong wastage of raw materials. We also made the homes light colored para hindi masyadong mag-absorb ng init and therefore it's more comfortable inside the home. Yung ating mga kisame mas matataas din so that the circulation within the home is also better. So that way, by making it more naturally ventilated, we had more window openings, it is more energy efficient. Mas malamig, mas komportable sa loob ng bahay and therefore hindi masyado mataas ang energy consumption.
As part of the Ayala group of companies, we do have sister companies like, for example, Globe Telecom, Manila Water, BPI. And we basically bring them in as our partners to ensure, for example, in Amaya, that we will have adequate telecommunication facilities. In terms of water supply, we bring in the expertise of Manila Water to help us plan. And with DPI, always in terms of making it more affordable, in terms of providing the financing. So we all bring this to the table to ensure that, number one, you have a high quality development, and secondly, making it more affordable to all of you. Lastly, as in all of our products, you do have a warranty. Nakakasigurado ka na may warranty period tayo na nandiyan kami for any kind of issues that you may have.
Amaya is for the hardworking Filipino. It's Ayala Land and Avida's reaching out strategy, enhancing land and enriching lives for more people, a basic reality.
This is where dreams will be fulfilled and where family life will flourish. Now every Filipino can finally say that his home is his castle. Sa Amaya by Avida, kaya ko na.
From Laguna, Amaya goes to Talisay, Negros. Sa Amayascapes North Point, all smiles na dahil malapit sa lahat. Amayascapes North Point is part of Ayala Land's fully integrated community, which has been master planned with BPO office spaces, a retail strip, a school, and several residential projects. It is just a 10-minute drive away from the Bacolod Silay Airport and 7.9 kilometers away from Bacolod City. Kaya mo nang simulan ang iyong bagong buhay sa Amayascapes North Point. Amaya sets the new standard in economic housing by introducing innovative designs and thriving neighborhood concepts. All smiles na dahil may dating. Sa Amayascapes North Point, sigurado ka sa well-crafted, unique, and stylish home designs. Every house is also energy efficient. The light-colored roofing and walls are designed to reflect sunlight and minimize indoor heat, while the windows are strategically placed for natural lighting and ventilation. All smiles na dahil dekalidad ang bahay. Amaya aims to give every Filipino a home they can be proud of in a peaceful and safe community. Dito, panatag ka dahil sa 1-year warranty on workmanship and materials. Amayascapes North Point is built with the combined expertise of Amaya's construction management team and the Makati Development Corporation. All smiles na dahil paangat ang buhay. homes have provision for expansion, kaya ready to grow with your family. Mas relaxing din ang environment courtesy of the patio green. The community is maintained and supervised by the Ayala Property Management Corporation, kaya sigurado at panatag ka. All smiles na dahil napakadali. Kayang-kaya mo na with Amayascape's North Point's easy flexible financing schemes. This is available through Pag-ibig and other housing facilities. Enjoy a master-planned community with recreational facilities and open spaces surrounded by greenery. All smiles na dahil malapit sa lahat. Napakadali. May dating, dekalidad ang bahay at paangat ang buhay. Amayascape North Point. All smiles na dahil kaya ko na.